Hi guys, let's go ahead and get Bustiana all the way together. Okay, this is going to be the rubber band jumbo twist, but I'm going to show you how to hide the rubber band so it looks more natural. I'm using my instant control along with my BTL. This is straight braiding hair. Okay, you guys, I am sectioning this off. These are two big jumbo twists. So I'm showing you here in the front how I'm doing it. So after I've taken the sections and rubber band them, I'm going to take the braiding hair. As you can see here, I'm taking it underneath. You can take it on top however you feel comfortable. You're going to wrap the hair around your natural hair, okay, making a loop, pulling your natural hair into two pieces, spreading them, and you're going to twist the braiding hair in with your natural hair. Okay, so this is going to make it really seamless at the end, at the very edge of the twist. Is going to look really natural, and it's also going to hide the rubber band. So after you twist about maybe a fourth of the way down, you're going to wrap the hair over. So you're going to wrap left to right, twisting and then wrapping left to right. Okay, you're going to switch hands left to right, and then turning. Okay, so you're going to do this all the way down to the end, and I am going to apply rod rollers to it later, but I'm just making sure the edge is looking really seamless and you cannot see the rubber band. Applying the edge control in so that it wraps into the twist very, very neat and tight. As you can see here, I'm twisting and then wrapping over. Okay, twisting all the way down to the bottom. And I'm taking these rod rollers that I did get from the beauty supply store, and I'm going to just wrap the ends of it because I want a little natural curly look. That's what I am going for with this particular style. So again, here I'm showing you how I'm doing it. I've already rubber banded the section off. I'm taking the braiding hair. I'm going to loop it around my natural hair, splitting my natural hair into two sections, okay, and then twisting the natural hair into the braiding hair so that it looks really seamless and natural at the very root, and you cannot see the rubber band. Okay guys, now that we've dipped our hair into the hot water, we're going to take the rod rollers off, and as you can see how it looks really curly. Okay, this looks like just basically like natural hair, but we just used braiding hair to, you know, make it a little bit longer. Okay, so this is the end. I'm going to take my edge wrap off after I wrap my edges and slayed them and laid them down, girl. Okay, so this is how she's looking. Okay, this is the back. Yep, I think this is about 10 or 11 braids, and this is how long they are to the butt. Okay, so I did hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is the final results. Your girl is looking real cute, nice, and really dainty look, okay, for the summer because it's hot outside. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs this video up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more. I love you guys so much.